kids. I get lit and I sit at the crib. You my baby, no beer.
Okay, my air conditioner is too high. Yeah, but that jump was loud. But for today's videos, as you guys, for today's video, as you guys can see, I got a new Influenster's box. I had left it in the car for a couple days, and either something leaked or something in the car was leaking, so then it made this. I hope nothing inside burst. So I came on here to show you guys what I got in my new box, how you guys can get some of this stuff. But for my battery is dying. Why? These are charged batteries. What is going on? Basically, I don't know what's in the box, so as you guys can see, I can be all bare and natural. So I came all bare natural, and whatever's in here I'll be using for you guys today and reviewing. And whatever's not in here, obviously I'll be using my own makeup products to go ahead and finish the look. I don't even have my contacts. If I'm looking down, it's because my mirror is down here. My portable vanity mirror. Ew, what's that on my lip? Girl, you can't eat. Still look good though. Let's go ahead and open the box. I'm gonna let y'all look first, because y'all know y'all my peeps. I always let y'all look at the, you know, looking first. Y'all always get first. This. I'm trying to get the sticker off, but it's not. Finally got it open. Alright, y'all. There's something in here. Definitely neat. Let's get that autofocus. Get on in. Come on. Come on, camera. Get your autofocus together. That's why I was looking all blurry and stuff. It was not even on autofocus. Should I start over? But here's everything that's in this box, y'all. Wet n Wild's new Rose Water Drop Primer. Okay, y'all? Okay, so this is the new Wet n Wild line as well. It's a 3-in-1 primer water, prep, set, and refresh. So I guess it's a primer and a setting spray as well. Also the photo focus rose as well. I'm sorry if I'm not looking at the camera as well, but so you know, butter to cook, but the butter is plant-based. So I got a free coupon for some butter, shampoo and conditioner. Okay, let's set that to the side. Oh, I like these. These look full. We got the Lash Couture by Kiss. It's called Naked Drama. Oh my gosh. Cushion Flexi band for a seamless contoured fit, split tip lash design for full fluffy volume. Look at that, y'all. I'm definitely putting that on today, because you know your girl trying to look mighty fine. One primer and setting spray, some lashes, conditioner, shampoo, a free coupon for butter, and the Prid how you call that? Homeopathic drawing salve. So like I said, I won't be using the salve because I ain't got no cysts or nothing like that going on my face or nothing like that. So I can't really review that. But I will be using the primer, the setting spray, and the lashes. This is also a primer, so I'm not sure how it's gonna feel as a primer. But I do know that, you know, I'm gonna use it as a setting spray, and I'll let you guys see and dictate on yourself. So my skin is already clean, washed. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this. I'm not even wearing contacts today, so I'm gonna be acting blind looking at this mirror. So let's go ahead and take these off. I can't see y'all, so y'all can see me, but I can't see y'all. So we're gonna start with that. I'm gonna have to do these ingredients first off. I'm not gonna use too much. We're gonna use like about that much at a time. One thing I can say is this thing smells very good. And one on my eyes, it burnt a tad bit. Not too much. Well, it don't burn, but I think it happen. But I can say this is probably for like really dry skin, because it feels oily. Oh my gosh, I'm getting a call. Yes. Yeah. I have naturally oil skin, kind of, sort of. Not really. Like my skin is dry after I just wash it, but then my natural sebum starts to kick in like maybe 30 minutes to an hour later. So my face at this point just feels greasy. So I would say this is not for me. But if you have really dry skin, this may work for you. But so we're just gonna fast forward through my hair real quick. It's not this video about. Alright y'all, so I'm not gonna put on no foundation. Y'all know me, I just like to conceal because the girl got the natural glow. I I know I might look a little crazy right now. My eyebrows might look crazy, but that's because I was on the phone with T and Kai's dad, whatever, you know who I'm talking about. With T, my eyebrows might look crazy because of that. I didn't get to like really focus on them because I was too busy on the phone. But maybe I'll get back at, because it's not about my eyebrows, it's about the Influenster box. We're gonna do lashes now. Where the hell did I put those damn lashes? So now I'm just gonna throw these lashes on. As we know, I'm not the best. Where are the lashes? I wish I could, every boy in the world. I wish I could. Okay, I'm sorry. I'll never do that again. We're gonna wait for it to get tacky. I've been seeing the beauty gurus do this. I guess you're not supposed to put it on while it's wet, so. I think I'm getting better at this, y'all. It didn't take me that long to get this on my eye. Like, shocking. Man, y'all tell. Oh, the glue is filling. Man, y'all tell me, would y'all talk to a girl who walked up to y'all like this with one lash and be like, what's good, daddy? So, what you trying to do? Get girl me another lash. Oh my god, I'm so lame. No, Zai, please don't wake up. No. The baby is sleeping, y'all. So, I'm trying to hurry and get this video done before he starts going through his little. Because now he's at that age where he's sleeping through the night and he's being more awake during the day, you know? So, y'all mamas know about that stage. Y'all be loving it because they sleep through the night. But then when y'all looking at them in the day, they're looking at you, looking at them, and you can't do nothing because they just want to look at you and want to look at them. Y'all just looking at each other. Girl, it's, oh my god, he's fussing. He's not fussing, but he's whining. And every time we put him on his side of his back, when he's on his side, he rolls onto his back. And if he just ate, or if he ate a couple hours ago, he's always choking on something. Like, they're like they mama, they clumsy with the throat. Oh, clumsy with the throat.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Okay, let me start. I'm so good. I didn't even get to secure the lash, and this boy is already up. I think I let her. This one's giving me more of a hard time. I'm coming, baby. Mama coming, baby. Come on, mommy's butt butter. You breathing hard. That was an exercise, huh? All that welling. All that crying. That was butt butter. He's still asleep. I don't know what he was crying for. My eyeshadow always look messy. But I'm not gonna do nothing too serious today. I'm just gonna get mine. Y'all know me, I love the gold. So I'm just gonna give me a little gold. Yeah, this looks beyond messy. But again, it's not about the eyeshadow. It's about the lashes and the primer. We gonna get real glossy. Just gloss it up. I think I may have used too much lip gloss. What y'all think? Sorry! No such thing. It's not spraying. Oh, there we go. There we go. I'm not even really sure what setting spray is supposed to do. Alright, y'all. So I put on the setting spray. My camera battery is just... and my ring light is just not letting your girl be great today. So with that being said, alright, so listen, y'all, I had to end this junk off on my phone because my camera's battery is just not letting up. I could have sworn I charged all the batteries, but it didn't. So this is the finished look. I know my eyeshadow is not the best right now. Like I said, it was all about using the Influenster box product. I love these lashes. The primer is a little bit too oily for my tasting, and the setting spray, I'm not sure how that's even supposed to work. Y'all know I'm not a beauty guru, so we're just gonna say it's setting now. I don't know, y'all. It's setting, but my face still feels good. It doesn't feel bad. I don't feel like the spray, you know, did anything bad to it. So we're just gonna leave it off on that note. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell button to be notified, and don't forget to tell a friend so they can tell a friend so they can tell a friend so they can tell another friend so that friend can come back and watch. So yeah, and that's it for today, y'all. Oh, I need to get my hair done. My birthday is this weekend, y'all. See your girl about to get my frying, and I'm gonna probably try to do a vlog for it. But yeah, so that's it, y'all. So until next time, peeps. Oh, look at that armpit hair. Okay, let me stop. That's nasty. I'm sorry. I did that to y'all. I won't do that again.